ॐ अस्य श्रीत्रम्बकस्तोत्रमहामन्त्रस्य मैत्रावरणपुत्रो वसिष्ठऋषेः अनुष्टुछन्दः अनुष्ठञ्छन्दः श्रीमृत्युञ्जयत्र्यम्बकरुद्रो देवता देवदेव्यौ प्रणवौ बीजशक्तिः। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयममृतात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयममृतात्। ॐ अस्य रामतारक महामन्त्रस्य सदाशिवो भगवान् ऋषिः अनुष्टुञ्छन्दः श्रीराम परमात्मा देवता राम बीजं नमः। शक्तिः रामाय कीलकं श्रीरामचन्द्र प्रसाद सिद्ध्यर्थे भक्तिज्ञान वैराग्य सिद्ध्यर्थे जपे विनियोगः। ॐ श्रीं रामाय नमः। It's called, there is a mantra called Mrityunjaya mantra has to be always followed. Death conquering mantra, Mrityunjaya. The one who has given is Vasishtha. And Vasishtha has given that mantra. But he told that mantra doesn't work unless you add a Taraka mantra. You can't conquer the death unless you meditate. So the meditation, Taraka, purifying. Unless you wash off your sins. So mantra of meditation, Taraka mantra. It is called Rama Taraka mantra, Rama. You have to meditate on Rama to clean your mind. Rama Taraka mantra. Then only you will conquer you will understand what is the Mrityunjaya. What is the Mrityunjaya mantra? You will understand. That is only the way to conquer the death. This is given by the Shiva. And Vasishtha is telling, the great yogi, the greatest of all the powers, the one who is the architect of the matrix, the one who is the architect of yoga, the one who has given the letters, the 50 letters, who has given the 50 letters, Shiva, is the death conqueror. His mantra is very powerful. But the only way to realize and what Shiva meant is again Adishesha Avatara. Again it is Patanjali. Again it is a Panini. Again it is Rama. Understand? The only way you can get to the singularity is from the present. Living in the present. Living in the present is a Vishnu. That is only the way to reach the destiny. Understand? To burn every moment, Shiva is there if you are in Vishnu Tattva, if you are living in this moment. If you don't live in this moment, free from past or a future, there is no Shiva. The only way to connect to the Shiva, the only way to connect to resolve is The qualification is to be with the Vishnu Tattva, to be in this moment. In this moment, there is no birth, there is no death. Moment is only this moment. There is no Brahma. Everything ends in this moment. Past ends in this moment. Future begins in this moment. Everything in this moment. This moment is called Vishnu. That is only the way to end, Rudra, to realize. Brahmastvam, Brahmastvam, Vishnustvam, Rudrastvam. That's why. Why it is coupled? Gayatri is not coupled with any mantra. But this Mrityunjaya mantra, the death conquering mantra, immortality, mantra of immortality. People in India use it very loose. Any disease, anyone has a fever, anyone has a disease, they chant this mantra. It is not disease conquering mantra. It is a death conquering mantra. It is the highest level of wisdom. Trayambakam means third eye. When eyes closed, Bhru, Chakshu, Ajna Chakshu, whatever you call, third eye is mind, prefrontal cortex, the area of cognition. So that is called Atma, that is called Vijnana by the Buddha, that is called observer. Observer always operates from here, prefrontal area. The center of the prefrontal area which conjoins the left, right, the center, means seamless working, training corpus callosum to work seamlessly with the left and right, left frontal brain, right frontal brain, to connect seamlessly. And the eye, the gap in between, the situated here, that's called Ajna Chakra. When you observe in this moment, the present moment, the right brain is in the present, and the left brain is past and future, merging in the present. That's only the way to make your left brain, right brain work to seamlessly. That's why it is all about, when you say third eye, it is all about living with the Vishnu Tattva, living in this moment. Free from past, free from future conditioning. There should not be any conditioning in your mind about the present reality. Then only the free from absolute past, free from absolute future. Rama mantra, like breath. Absolutely you will never know what breath is going to come. Absolutely you will never know what breath is going out. You will never, no breath is the same. Every breath is unique. A breath gone is gone, and again new breath. Never. Absolutely present, free from any conditioning. It should not have any conditioning. You should not be given any clue about any clue given either pushes you future or past. That's why the Trayambakam, third eye, mantra of what works, what is the only way out for the death, conquering the death, is living in this moment. And what did he say? Vasishtha. Vasishtha is saying the mantra. Sadashiva mantra, it is given by Sadashiva, means the Shiva again. Rama mantra is given by Shiva, not Vasishtha, not by Valmiki. Sadashiva, Rishihi. A Shiva who attained that immortality, practicing Om Asya Sri Rama Taraka Mahamantrasya Sadashiva Bhagavan Rishi Anashtan Chandah Sri Rama Paramatma Devata Ram Bhijam Namaha Shakti Ramaya Kilakam Sri Ramachandra Prasada Sijjarte Bhakti Jnana Vairagya Sijjarte Jape Viniyoga Sri Rama That's a way to chant. The voice, the tone. When you can't chant, you only have to listen. It has to be born from here. Ramaya Namah. Anustan Chandah. Anusthana, practicing mantra it is. Means meditating mantra it is. It is not a mantra to meditate. On what? Sri Rama Paramatma Devata. The Rama who attained after his enlightenment, Parabrahma, is a God. Jesus is a God. Prophet himself is a God. And how he attained that Parabrahma Rama, Sri Rama? Ram Bijam. He used Bijam, seed of what? Where it is born. What is born? In this moment. Without any pretinct, without any prediction. Ram. That is the breath. What leads the digestion? Air. A solid fuel, liquid fuel, gas fuel, which is the most powerful way to lit the fire. Oxygen. Breath. That's why he is using Dve, same, Vasishtha only telling. Dve Bije Rama. So he is telling how mantra Rama as a two seed mantra, two seed, combination of two seed mantras. It is a root mantra. Rama is a root mantra, but combined of two seed mantra. What are the two seeds? Ram Bijam. Another one is Ma. Nama. Nama. Ma. In Namaha, Ma is there. Rama, Ma is there. Why he is telling? Because your exhalation is flat. Namaha connects the soul. When you purify, you connect. Your exhalation is nothing but removing all the impurities, taking away. You are purified. Your mind is purified. Namaha. Exhalation says Namaha. Inhalation says Ram. So Rama is Ra, Ma means Namaha. Connects to the mind, purifies the mind. Exhalation. Namaha. It is about prana. Dve Bije Rama Chittasya. The two realities. Rama, Ra, first letter, second letter is Ma. It connects to. He is telling. It connects to. Prana Spandana Chitta. The Chitta has two realities. And the only way you can work with the Chitta, the only way you can purify your mind is living in this moment is one is the breath, another one is at the Chitta DNA level. And Ra, Ma indicates Dve Bije, The two indicates nothing but the breath and your DNA memory. And that is only the way to purify. Ram Bijam Namah Shakti. Energy. What is energy? So, when your entropy comes down, entropy, dissolving entropy, Ramaya Kilakam. Kilakam means which is the most important tool, step in the entire process. Kilaka. Without that, nothing happened. That is the key. Kilaka means it is a key. And Rama is a mantra, is a key, a gateway to the heavens. It is a mantra of meditation. These are called two holes. The key is here, breath is called key, and these are called locks, two holes. And Rama, breath coming in, breath going out. Breath is the key. Ramaya Kilaka. It's all about meditating on your breath. Dve biche. As breath comes, as breath comes in, ra 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 ra, as breath goes out, ma ma ma, hamma, hum. Ram, Ram, Ram. It is not Rama, it is only single letter. That's what he is saying. In this, Ma is there. When you do inhalation, exhalation, but it is only one word. Ram. Ram Bijam. Ram is a single seed mantra, but you can divide. Ra means, Ma means, Dve Bije Ram. Two. Two indicates what? Prana, breath. One is your natural breath, and another one is indicates connecting to the DNA, purification of the DNA, and touching the DNA, purifying the DNA with the breath. Ram Bijam Namaha Shakti, dissolving entire your DNA memory. That's only the way to channelize your entropy, channelize your energy. E is equal to mc square, Shakti, E. This is only the way to channelize. Shakti Ramaya Kilakam, to dissolve energy, and the lock is only the breath. Key is only the breath, and here is the lock. Always breath is, and when what opens your prana, and all the time what is giving you, what is unlocking you is the breath. If the breath is not there, key is not there, lock will not open. You are locked, you are dead. If this breath is not there, so what is keeping you alive is the key, the breath. The breath, if you understand the breath, and it opens, and the lock of conditioning further. And if you use it, if you are aware, it connects to the absolute. Entire lock, matrix, entire program is a lock. Entire conditioning is a lock. Bondage, programmed, conditioned, everything opens. The key is breath. Ramaya Kilakam Sri Ramachandra Prasada. It is a blessing of the Vishnu Avatara. Rama means Vishnu, Vishnu means in this moment. It is It is the greatest prasada. What Rama has given us is meditating on the breath. That is the greatest prasada. The greatest, when you go to a church, a bread is given, a wine is given by the priest. When you go into a temple, if you don't take that bread, if you go to a church, attend a mass, if you don't take a wine, if you don't take bread, it is a sin. Similarly, when you walk into a temple, if you don't take the tirtha, wine, and the juice of the coconut or amrita, elixir, and followed by a bread, coconut, if you don't take prasada, you are a sin. You are committing a great sin because that is given by Jesus. The wine represents the Jesus. Bread represents the Jesus here in a temple, and the liquid represents the Parabrahma, represents the God over there, represents the prasada, the solid food represents the God, the liquid food represents the God. Solid represents the fuel, liquid represents dissolving it and putting the fire. The solid is in the form in which fire is hidden, fuel it is, and the liquid is to burn it. To burn it, to dissolve it. When fire is there, what do? You throw the water. So water and the fire, extinguishing the fire and source of the fire. That's why is a wine or a bread, where is a tirtha, a coconut water, or made with the ghee, cow ghee, and cow milk, and honey, and cow curd, and made with all these 5 things, and made with the coconut water, and this is called amrita, elixir. This is what we are supposed to take when you go to a temple. And because cleaning, amrita, balance, purification, and after doing this, abhisheka, with these 5 mixture, after the sanctum sanatorium, after purifying it, it is collected from the dam, and that is given as a tirtha, a sacred water. When you walk into any Tibetan monastery, a sacred water kept in the bowls, the water kept in here bowls, you take the water, sprinkle. Sacred water. So, explaining that, Sri Ramachandra Prasad Siddhyarthe Bhakti Jnana Vairagya Siddhyarthe. Rama means complete devotion, motivation, humility, knowledge, wisdom, utmost detachment. And the path is complete. Path is complete. He did not use karma. He used only 3 because in Treta Yuga, Bhakti Jnana Vairagya, karma. Everyone is removing the karma. No one does the karma. Removing the karma, Bhakti Jnana Vairagya. Only 3 things are talked about. Bhakti Jnana Vairagya Siddhyarthe Jape Viniyoga. You must use it as for only meditation. Japa means meditation. What is ja? What is japa? Ja, apo. Japa, japo. Apo means water. Ja means born. To end, the life begins with the water. To put out the fire, again to be reborn. So it is all cooling down mechanism. Japa means like a tapa. Tapa means to removing the heat. Japa means to conquer the death. So beginning with where we are born, japa. Japa, 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 japa. Ajapa, ajapa. No more birth, no more born. No sound is born, nothing is born. Ajapa. And then tapa. Japa, ajapa, tapa. All are apa only, removing, putting out the fire, putting out the fire, putting out the fire, putting out the birth, where it is born. I stop adding any more. Japa means I stop adding any more. I won't generate again. Now I stopped adding already ajapa. Now I started removing the source, tapa. So japa. It has to be used for meditation only. Jape, not for this, mindfulness. A rosary beads going on. Rama, 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 Ram, 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 Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. 1, 9. Ram, 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 Ram. 2. Ram, 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 Ram. 3. Ram, 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 Ram. 4. Ram, 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 Ram. 5. Ram, 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 Ram. 6. Ram, 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 Ram. 7. Ram, 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 Ram. 8. Ram, 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 Ram. 9. 9. Ram, 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 Ram. 90. Ram, 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 Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. Number of beats over. 1 round is over. Ekam paridrishtam jape karishyami. Ekam japam paridrishtam sankhyabi paridrishtam karishyami. Jape viniyogah. Jape viniyogah. Om asya Sri Ramataraka Sri Ramataraka Mahamantrasya Sadashivo Bhagavan Rishihi Anushtunchandah Sri Rama Paramatma Devata Ram Bijam Namaha Shaktihi Ramaya Kilakam Sri Ramachandra Prasada Siddhyarthe Bhakti Jnana Vairagya Siddhyarthe Jape Viniyogah Atham Atha Japam Karishyami Om Sri Ram Ramaya Namaha Om Asya Sri Trambakastotra Mahamantrasya Maitra Vasishta Rishihi Anushtunchandah Sri Mrityunjaya Triyambaka Rudro Devata देवदेव्यौ प्रणवौ बीजशक्तिः ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. Only one, it's only one word. The only one word at the end, the last stanza is one word. उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. Only one word. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. That's a chant when you want to in a chanta. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. It's all Chetana, it's all cutting, not like Gayatri. Bhargo devasya dhimahi diyo yo nah prachodayat. It's not like that. Om Trayambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva bandhanan mृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. It's called prayoga. You have to use it, you have to prayoga, you have to apply it, you have to use it. Om Trayambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva bandhanat mृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्. Om Trayambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva bandhanat मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् मृत्योर्मुक्षी उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्